Hello, welcome back to my channel, Diamond Rose. Hi, Diamond Squad. How are you guys? So we keep on shining and sparkling. Let's get this job on the road. All three of these jobs are currently hiring, and they're highly immediately hiring. So the first job will be Conduent at $13.50 an hour. Is a remote position. It's highly immediate, as you guys can see, and what I just said earlier in the video. And it's an entry level customer service position, and the qualifications that you need for this job, the experience is have customer service and typing skill, great typing skills, or good typing skills. Educational and certificates is high school diploma or a GED and a bachelor's degree, maybe. And the benefits for this job is dental insurance and disability insurance, healthcare insurance, paid time off, paid training and retirement plan, and vision insurance and work from home. So this job, what it entails is throughout dedicated associates doing delivers mission critical services and solutions on behalf of Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governments, creating exceptional outcomes of our clients and the millions of people who count on them. You have an opportunity to personally thrive, make a difference, and be a part of a culture where individuality is noticed and valued every day. Healthcare call center advocate, work from home, Conduent business services is remote, and this is all the position. After training, the pay increases to $15 per hour. Plenty of growth opportunities within the healthcare team. Health benefits for you and your family, including medical, dental, and vision. Paid time off. Would you enjoy being a part of a team that makes a difference in people's lives? Do you love helping people, some complex problems, and delivering solutions? Join our customer service experience team. About the healthcare advocate role. Healthcare center advocate role. As a member of the healthcare call center team, you will help people every day by taking calls, actively listening to understand customers' needs, and answering their questions. You will manage a steady volume of incoming calls from customers while navigating through multiple systems. Our call center associates are members of a supportive team. Your excellent customer service and communication skills will help us create positive experiences for our customers and clients. Your punctuality and dependability are key to our clients' success. A few of the questions you may receive as a healthcare call center advocate are the following. Can you please tell me eyeglasses will be covered under this policy? I lost my ID card. Can you help me get another one? Those are some of the types of questions that you will be asked as a entry-level customer service rep. So the requirements, we're looking for people who with a passion to help others, natural empathy, and a determination to deliver a comprehensive solution to these healthcare related calls. Customer service experience is a plus, but not required. To be successful in this role, you will have to be 100%. You have to be in class for training for 100% of the time. No time can be missed during our training period if given a position. Excellent communication skills, ability to type 25 words per minute, ability to successfully complete a mandatory paid training program for 8 weeks from 9 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday Eastern Standard Time. Keyboarding and software proficiency, great problem solving skills, ability to effectively multitask, high school diploma or GED or college degree. Ability to successfully complete a mandatory paid training program. Successful completion of a background check is required for this position. Equipment and workplace requirements. We will provide you with a computer and equipment. You must have a home internet connection of 10 megabytes per second. You may do a quick check through fast.com. Must be able to hardwire your work computer directly to your home modem via Ethernet. Must have required working space. Below is what you need to do to be considered for this position. It will take less than 20 minutes and includes everything required at this stage. Apply to the role and provide your basic profile information, which takes up to 2 minutes. Answer pre-screen questions to be sure you meet the minimum requirements for the role, 3 minutes, and complete a typing test for 2 minutes, and take short assessment to determine your fit for the role and set everyone up for success. That takes 10 minutes. And they're talking about what Conduent is all about. We are currently not hiring for the following geographies. It's Arkansas, California, Hawaii, Massachusetts, Illinois, and Montana. Metro areas they're not hiring in is Minneapolis, Chicago, Illinois, New York City, Oregon, Portland, Oregon, Maryland, Montgomery County, Seattle. And they are an equal opportunity employer. And they just posted this a day ago. So if you want to apply, this is the link for Conduent. I will place it down below for the healthcare call center advocate work from home position. Okay, there we go for that job number 1. And job number two is Concentrix. Concentrix, you can get hired on with this job. It's a social media support specialist. It's $20 per hour. It's a full-time job, and it's a remote. You go to the website and you go and you apply, and these are all what they're offering. The job description is in this role. You will be providing a high-touch product support to users using social media platforms. Our social media support consultants support customers with navigation, best use cases, troubleshooting, and provide continuous improvement for our clients. What's in it for you? Perks and pay. $20 per hourly wage with overnight shift differential and bonus opportunities. Equipment provided. Comprehensive benefits include medical, dental, vision, and 401k savings plan. Endless career growth opportunities. Employment rewards and recognition programs. An exciting career and company atmosphere with a welcoming culture driven by diversity and inclusivity and teamwork. Wellness programs to help you maintain a better quality of life. Employee discount programs. And a day in life for this job is ensure all service delivered meet contractual key performance indicators, KPIs. Clarify customer user requirements, probe for understanding, use decision support tools and resources to resolve customer issues that are non-standard, unstructured, and require some clarification or conceptual thinking. Maintain broad knowledge of client products and or service. Troubleshooting time-sensitive issues, which can include campaigns, ads, and marketing. Those are just some of the things of the day in the life of being a social media support specialist from work from home. And yes, there's a disclaimer, and the above statements are intended to describe the general nature and level of work being performed by people assigned to this job. They are not intended to be an exhaustive list of all responsibilities, duties, and skills required of personnel working within this job role. That's good to know. Concentrix is an equal opportunity employer, and it's an equal opportunity employer. So if it sounds like something that you would like to do, just apply. Just go to this link that I'm going to post below into this description box so you can go ahead and easily apply. All right, now job number 3, it is going to be Work from home call center representative for InfoCision Management Corporation. It's based out in Nevada. It's $11 an hour job, full-time and day shift. Urgently hiring. So for this job, you will have to have, well, you don't have to have the experience and skills that they're looking for, or let's see how to put it. They are not requiring you to have these skills, but they are preferred. Sales experience and customer service. Languages, Spanish. If you're bilingual, you'll have a great chance at this job as well. And it's paid weekly. It's full time. It's 401k, 401k matching. Dental insurance, employee assistance program, health insurance, opportunities for advancement. And they also have vision care, paid training, and it's work from home position. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, these are some of the things that they offer. Full-time and part-time set schedules, in-depth virtual paid training, rewards and recognition programs, weekly pay and bonus with access to your pay at any time. Like I said earlier, when it says bilingual in Spanish and English opportunities available, they do have that at InfoCision Management Corporation. It's a W-2 employer. It's a road to growth, career advancement opportunities, medical benefits for full-time employees, interactive daily communication with your team. And the technology requirements is a PC, laptop with Windows 10 or 11, RAM 4 gigabytes, plus high-speed internet or a wired connection to router to ensure maximum download speeds, download and upload of 5 megabytes or higher per second or higher. Webcam and either external speakers or sound on your computer, external wired mouse and USB headsets. And our requirements, it says equipment is not provided and a technology check is required before hire. So they will not provide a work computer for this job. You have to have your own. And other requirements are willingness to learn, strong computer skills, commitment to work, a set schedule, home office, or a dedicated, quiet place to work, clear background check, and customer service and sales skills. And it said visit us online and schedule your own virtual interview with www.infocision.com/careers. I've worked with InfoCision before. It's a really great job. So if you want to, you can apply. And they are hiring 10 candidates or more for this role. It's urgently hiring, and it's really a great job. So those are all for today, you guys, on this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe and comment down below, and tell me if you guys are linked up with these jobs, and tell me what success stories are. I want to hear it. Like and comment. I love to hear you guys. I love to speak and interact with you guys. And subscribe. If you are here and you're brand new, subscribe to the Diamond Squad. There's always room for growth, and there's always room for wanting to advance your career and to level up in a career that you always dreamt of and always wanted to do. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Good luck and goodbye.